White House officials say President Obama will launch a sweeping effort this morning to target gun violence in America. He's expected to present a three-part plan focusing on gun sales, education, and mental health. Major Garrett is at the White House. Major, good morning.
Good morning, Charlie and Nora. Top White House officials spent the better part of last night briefing White House allies in the coming gun control debate on the contours of the president's proposals. And CBS News has learned more details, including an expanded effort to stop bullying in schools and the use of the president's health care law to dramatically expand access to mental health care services. Gun control will dominate the headlines. The president will call for a tougher assault weapons ban than the one that expired after 10 years in 2004. He will also ask Congress to ban all firearm ammunition magazines containing more than 10 bullets. He will also seek universal criminal and mental health background checks for all gun sales, including private transactions. The assault weapons ban is already an uphill fight.
We're not going to prejudge.
Is dead before it's started, or
I don't believe that, and I think that that doesn't mean it's a sure thing either. If these things were easy, they would have been achieved already.
The White House will also push for a tougher federal gun trafficking law to punish gun merchants who refuse to run thorough background checks. Also, an executive order for federal health agencies to conduct wide-ranging research into gun violence. The president will also beef up anti-bullying efforts with more school counselors. There will also be federal aid to schools that want to hire armed and trained security officers. And under the health care law, Mr. Obama will train more mental health counselors and expand access to mental health services in schools. The president summarized his goals at Monday's press conference.
My starting point is not to worry about the politics. My starting point is to focus on what makes sense, what works.
All this will be unveiled before a group of children surrounding the president. They were invited because they wrote the White House after the Newtown massacre, expressing their sorrow and fear. On the eve of his announcement, the National Rifle Association posted this web ad denouncing Mr. Obama for using Secret Service protection for his daughters, but resisting armed police in every school.
Mr. Obama demands the wealthy pay their fair share of taxes, but he's just another elitist hypocrite when it comes to a fair share of security. Protection for their kids.
The White House had no reaction to that NRA accusation. In the coming gun control fight, the White House expects intense resistance on Capitol Hill to reinstating the assault weapons ban and limiting the size of those ammunition magazines. It will fight for both, but its highest priority is clearly going to be those universal background checks for all gun sales. Charlie and Nora.
Major Garrett, thank you.